Top 5 Best Cutting Torch Kits in 2020. Number 5. Toolsempire Gas Welding Torch and Cutting Kit. In our last spot, we have the full gas welding and cutting kit from Toolsempire. It's a low-priced kit that does an effective job of cutting most of the time, but the torch is known for having leaking problems. It's an option only a beginner oxy fuel cutter would want to purchase, however, the leaking issues can make it unsafe. The regulators are high quality, and due to the whole kit's low price, it's worth purchasing only for the gauges. However, as a whole kit, it's not the most reliable choice. The warranty is effective for what it covers, but it's a minimal term warranty. Overall, this is not our favorite torch option. However, it's a suitable choice to get started with if you're on a low budget. When it doesn't leak, it performs well for light cutting. Pros: full cutting and brazing kit. Low priced. Nice regulators. Cons: light duty. Minimal warranty. Low quality. Torch sometimes leaks. Coming in number 4. Firepower 250 Cutting Torch Kit. The Firepower Oxy Fuel Replacement Torch Kit is a heavy-duty kit that's suitable to replace almost any torch and will almost always perform better than what it replaces. It's one of the top torches available and comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can have confidence it will last. This torch is designed for all oxy fuel applications, but it's mainly used for oxy-acetylene mixes. It's made with precision components, which is quickly recognizable in how cleanly and accurately you can cut, weld, and adjust the flame width and length while honing in your required temperature. The downside is that it's a replacement kit and doesn't include all the accessories of a full kit. If you already have a hose, a regulator, and some goggles, it will make an excellent replacement torch. However, it doesn't suit someone wanting to start out with a full cutting torch set, due to it requiring other parts to work. Pros: includes cutting and brazing tips. Heavy duty. Low medium price. 2-year warranty. Cons: doesn't include full kit accessories. Coming in number 3. Hobart Medium Duty Cutting Torch Set. We like the 770502 Oxy-Acetylene kit from Hobart, although it doesn't live up to the Hobart name like the company's other products. It includes a wide range of features for a full gas cutting welding kit, but it's a lower duty kit for what it's worth. It also has fewer tip adjustments and no case to keep things organized. The torch itself is comfortable to use and cuts almost any plate gauge well, but it's known for faulting at times, and Hobart is not always the best with the warranty service for this kit. It's not designed for heavy-duty use, but for light-medium use, it serves its purpose well. This isn't our top pick torch, but it's a quality option at a reasonable price and will serve anyone needing a full oxy-acetylene kit well. Pros: includes cutting and brazing tips. Includes striker. Includes hose. Includes regulators. Low-medium price. Cons: light medium duty. Poor warranty service. Coming in number 2. ZENSTYLE Cutting Torch Kit. We are highly impressed with the ZENSTYLE Gas Cutting Torch Set. It's not a heavy-duty kit by any means, but for what it comes with, and at the price it's offered, we are very impressed. It includes everything you need for an oxy-acetylene kit, whether you're starting out and don't want to spend much money, or need a full set of everything to replace older gear. Everything comes in a sturdy case, with useful compartments and clips to organize all the gear so you don't lose anything. The torch itself is exceptionally well sealed. It's easy to set up and use, and it comes with many different tips, so you have a broad range of cutting options. The warranty is minimal, and the kit's not designed for industrial use. However, for any hobbyist or workshop that needs to use it semi-frequently, this is an affordable option. We consider it the best buy for your money among all the online cutting torch kits. Pros: includes cutting and brazing tips. Includes striker. Includes hose. Includes regulators. Includes goggles. Low priced. Cons: light medium duty. Minimal warranty. Coming in number 1. Miller Oxy-Acetylene Cutting Torch Kit. The Miller Tough Cut outfit is the best oxygen acetylene torch available online. It's rated as a medium-duty torch and comes at a medium price to suit, but there is almost nothing medium-duty about it. It's a heavy-duty torch that comfortably cuts a wide range of plate thicknesses, and has different tips to make it easy to heat, braze, or weld extensively. Both the internal and external features of all the gear included are exceptional. It is one of the most comfortable and safe torches to use, and it withstands more than it's designed to. The glasses included in the kit are comfy, and you can see exceptionally well out of them while protecting your eyes. However, they lack the coverage cutting goggles provide. We highly recommend this torch for both hobbyists and everyday fabricators. It comes at a very reasonable price and is built to last in the most extreme conditions. Pros: heavy duty. Includes cutting and brazing tips. Includes 2 regulators. Includes hose. Includes striker. 3-year warranty. Medium price. Cons: glasses lack coverage.